Nothing feels like summer, fun, long nights, and being with your friends more than popsicles. And today I have a really delicious, super simple recipe that's actually really good for you, and your kids and yourself will never know because it tastes so good. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna take our blender. You're gonna do full fat coconut milk. So I'm just doing a can of the full fat coconut milk. Yep, let it in there. And then we're gonna take a handful of spinach. Don't be shy with this. It's gonna turn it a little bit green. So if you have picky eaters, leave it out, but they're never gonna know the taste. Just tell them it's like fun green monster popsicle. Tell yourself that too. Then we're gonna take a half of a frozen banana. You don't have to use frozen, but I had some frozen bananas. Just throw that in there. And we're gonna add the amazing ingredient to this, which is Golden Superfood Bliss. Now, this is what's gonna make it taste so sweet, so delicious. It's loaded with superfoods. I'm talking organic ginger, organic turmeric, organic cinnamon, as well as ashwagandha and a 4-mushroom blend, which can really help with increasing energy and calming the nervous system. I'm super in love with this blend, so I'm gonna add 2 scoops because I like a lot of flavor. And I'm gonna add that in. That's all you need. How amazing is that? Turn this thing on, just blend it on up. Once it's blended, you're just gonna take your popsicle container and just pour it in there. That's it. And then put it in the freezer until it's frozen. Super simple. It's been 4 to 5 hours. I already pre-made some. I want to show you how amazing is that. Takes me back to being a kid. I can eat this for breakfast. I can eat this for lunch. I can eat this for dinner. I can eat this for a snack. It's so good for you. I know you're gonna absolutely love this. Go ahead and click the link below to get your Golden Superfood Bliss today, and you can be one of those moms that serves healthy but delicious popsicles.